Hello, I am Susan Stull. I teach life science courses, which means biology, zoology, botany, ecology are the topics I teach. One of my most interesting teaching opportunities was to teach biology in China for a summer term. I received an email from Northwest Missouri University that they were looking for community college people to help with a program teaching in China, and I think I answered it before it actually arrived because I was so interested. So I got that opportunity and was able to spend one summer in China. Then of course COVID hit and we've taught online since then. But it was amazing to experience some of the cultural differences and some of the amazing similarities that you see with students. The time that I've spent teaching at NCMC has been a really good experience. I've enjoyed interacting with the students, especially seeing when they suddenly understand a concept and just seeing their faces as they change with that understanding. I started in the fall of 2004 full-time. I taught a few semesters prior to that as an adjunct. Teaching in the sciences is a great opportunity because we do a lot of hands-on lab exercises. I find that those are interesting. It's fun to have results come from those, and they're much more interactive than sitting through a lecture. However, with sciences, we also do a lot of lectures, and so the students have to live through that, but it's a good way to try to explain and expound on the concepts that we're trying to learn. For hands-on learning in a life science course, we do a lot of microscope work, and just recently that's been a lot of my classes where we've been working. It is really interesting when students finally get the organism in focus or the cells that we're looking at in focus and can see it, and they get very interested. It becomes very difficult for me to get their attention away from the microscope to give them their next step for what they're having to do because they become so engaged in it. Some goals that I have as an instructor, of course, the first one is to continue to provide quality instruction and to find ways to improve that. We've recently started an associate in science degree, and one of my goals is to help that grow and become a good asset for students in this area that are interested in doing engineering, pre-med, pre-dental, and some of those other science-based types of degrees.